Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make salad dressing without vinegar. Many people prefer dressings without vinegar due to dietary restrictions or taste preferences. We will explore various ingredients that provide the necessary acidity and flavor. You'll learn how to combine these elements to create a perfectly balanced and delicious dressing for any salad. Get ready to transform your salad experience with these easy tips. When skipping vinegar, citrus juices are your best friends. Lemon and lime juice bring a vibrant, fresh tang that brightens any salad. For a creamier texture and a milder acidity, consider using buttermilk or plain yogurt. Don't forget mustard. A teaspoon of Dijon can add a wonderful depth of flavor and also acts as a natural emulsifier, helping your dressing stay together. A good base oil is crucial. Extra virgin olive oil or avocado oil are excellent choices. To build complex flavors, incorporate fresh herbs like dill or parsley and spices such as garlic powder or black pepper. A touch of sweetness from maple syrup or honey can balance the acidity beautifully. For a smooth, cohesive dressing, consider emulsifiers like a small amount of egg yolk or tahini. Now, let's put it all together. Start by combining your chosen acid, like lemon juice, with your oil, herbs, and spices in a jar or a bowl. Whisk everything vigorously or shake it well until the dressing is fully emulsified and creamy. Taste and adjust seasonings as needed. A pinch of salt or a dash more citrus can make all the difference. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade, vinegar-free creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.